welcome back to my channel. I am Courtney, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to use the lip varnish from Coverboy Cosmetics. This is by Willam Belli, very dear friend of mine. I love so much. I'm so proud of him. It's just so cool. So I just wanted to show you how I like to apply it. Willam did tell me beforehand how he recommends to apply it, so if you'd like to watch all the way through to the end so you can see just a really easy, quick, gorgeous, stunning red lip look, and I'll link where you can purchase Coverboy in the description below. And that's it. Thank you so much, and let's go to the tutorial. Alright, so for today's look, I already did this makeup before, and I'll link it down in the comment area if you want to see how I did the rest of my face and eyes. But today, I wanted to, I'll probably do that after. Okay, so I'm using Basic Red for MAC, just to line my lips, because I like to overdraw my lips because I like fuller lips. So when I overdraw, I basically go either a little bit above my lip line or I go right onto my lip line so a little bit goes over. See? And then I create my own shape. I have a little bit more of a Cupid's bow, but I wanted it to be a little bit more pouty. And then I'll take my finger and just smudge it a little bit just so that the line isn't so perfect, because when it's a little bit smokier, I feel like it creates the illusion of it being a little bit bigger too. So this is how it comes. Coverboy. This is by Willam Belli, his lip varnish. I got this color. I really want to get them all, and this one is called Red. And it is. And it has like this beautiful frost to it. So cute, the little cheetah print. So very Willam. And then I was like, Willam, is this a dupe tube? Can you use that? And he's like, yes, you can. I'm like, awesome. So when applying the Coverboy lip varnishes, you want to put them on in layers and let them dry in between, and that'll build up the coverage. It'll also help them to last longer and not feel as thick on the lips. I love that kind of lip product because I find that it lasts longer. It creates so much more of, I don't know, but it just looks a lot more rich on the lips. So that's the first coat. It's a little bit more sheer. You can definitely see the glitter in it. It looks gorgeous, and if you're using these on stage, it's just a fantastic. The smell is like a vanilla, but like a dirty vanilla, which is so perfect, and it smells great on the lips. So I'm gonna let that dry in between. You'll feel it get a little bit, not tacky, but you'll definitely feel it dry down, and then you know that you're ready for the next layer. I want to swatch it too, just so you can see like how beautiful that color is. There's so much dimension. I'm a sucker for a red lip, so this is the first one I bought. Willam is a good friend of mine, and I love him so much, but I find, especially with your friends, I want to support them, so I'll always purchase products from fellow artists. I don't want anything given to me by them. I won't allow it. You gotta support fellow artists. So it takes like a couple seconds to dry down. I don't have a lot on the wand. The wiper system in here is really great because it allows you just to the amount that you need for each layer. And you can see like the coverage is building up. You're getting a lot more color. but the shine is still there too, which I really like. Sometimes when you're using a glitter particle, the amount of pigment is going to mask it, but for some reason he just nailed it right, hit the nail right on the head with this formula. I'll just do one more because I'm extra. And you can bring it all the way up to the lip liner that you put on. I choose not to because I like that the matte next to the glitter. I find it adds more dimension. So that is this gorgeous red lip from Coverboy. Willam, thank you so much for these. I can't wait to try all of them. I'll link where you can purchase them down below. Willam is just one of the kindest, most wonderful, talented, brilliant people I've ever met, and I just 100% support him, and I hope you do too. So if you like this lip, purchase it from Coverboy, from Willam Belli. And yeah, thanks so much I just wanted to do like a quick video just to give a shout out to these absolutely gorgeous lip colors and lip product. He also has lashes, he has this beautiful glitters, the gel glitter, so you don't need an adhesive. It's just brilliant. So support Willam, and thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.